call you away from your nightly workout, Wildcat. But I'm gonna need all the help I can to take down this escaped Khan.
Well, he better be as tough as you say, 'cause I got 567 push-ups to get back to. Go on, Junior, give that a feel.
There.
You need my help for this 90-pound weakling? What's the matter, Bats? Afraid he's gonna take your milk money? You don't need me. You need a fly swatter.
There's more to Bane than meets the eye.
I don't know whether to punch him or feed him a protein shake.
Wildcat.
I've got liver spots bigger than this pot.
Wildcat.
Ah, nuts. See? He wasn't so tough.